welcome to my nighttime routine. I'm done with my lotion, with my eyeshadow, with my lipstick, another lipstick, and dip, and also the blonde thing. Go and do with me, dip, with dip. Let's go! As you can see all the time, so well done with it. Now it's this turn. Come with me. Let's go and open it. Ow. We're done with this and this. We're not done with this because we are using this cologne. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow on Nighttime Routine with Angel Olejame Montejo, 15 years old, October 26 is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Ingat. Toy collection, thick fitted. Do not laugh at me because I am not great at it picking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thick. That is all my collection of my toy. Thank you for watching. See you again on another day or tomorrow. Bye.